this clip, we're going to talk a little bit about how we started using clay. For a better summary, we have a book that's available as a free download. It's called We Eat Clay and Wear It Too. This book kind of summarizes how we started using clay externally and internally ourselves. A fun little book, free download. The way we really started using clay, back in the 70s, there was a group of health food folks that walked into our office and they wanted to buy some of the clay that we had there for sale. At that point, we knew clay was great for facials or bee stings, but we had never eaten clay at that point. This group of health food folks walked in and they wanted to buy our clay to eat. And they gave us a copy of this book called Our Earth, Our Cure. It was written by Redmond Clay. It was translated into English in the 70s. And in his book, Dextreet says that the right kind of clay can be used for all kinds of things, both internally and externally. And this group of health food folks felt that our clay would meet the same requirements of the clay, of this French clay that Dextreet talks about in his book. And at that point, we had never eaten the clay, didn't know if it was safe to eat, and so we wouldn't sell it to them until we sent it to a lab. The lab came back and said that this type of clay is inert. It's not going to help anybody, it's not going to hurt anybody, it's just inert. The FDA considers this type of clay generally recognized as safe, or GRAS is the acronym of this type of clay. So we sold the clay to this group, and they told us all these wonderful things that clay would do. And everything that Raymond Dextreet's book, Our Earth, Our Cure, says that clay would do, this group said that clay would do themselves. But again, we were a little bit leery to eat dirt ourselves. We learned in grade school you weren't supposed to eat dirt. And so that's how we got introduced to clay, was through this book. Since this book has been published, now there are all kinds of clays on the market, and there's a lot of other books that are available on clay. We sell some of these books on our website, but you can find great ones on Amazon. A few of our favorites, The Healing Power of Clay is a great one. We really like this one here, Upon a Clay Tablet. It's got some great pictures of different types of clay. But going back to the original, Our Earth, Our Cure by Raymond Dextreet is a great place to start.